One thing I'm not as impressed with this new GoPro is the battery dies in 6 hours if you leave it in the camera. Like fully charged to flat in 6 hours. So I can either take the battery out and then it only lasts a few days. Well, yeah, that's all I can do. So I'm not getting. I was worried the camera broke already, but no, the battery's just flat. It's been a few weeks though, so I wasn't expecting it to be full. I've been ordering things, but oh, the selfie stick stayed pretty full, so that's weird. Must be a different kind of battery. So yeah, I've ordered 4 axle stands because I can't find any anywhere, and any that I do find, they're sitting doing their job, but why are they here when this thing's not going to move anywhere? There should be like blocks under that instead of axle stands. Anyway, and anytime I do use one, I find my brother takes it off of the vehicle off of it and steals it. So I got 4. I'm gonna put this on 4, and it's not gonna come off of them until I've got most of the problems fixed. So yeah, I can't move it right from where it is right now. It's not quite level where it is. I should pack it around here, be flatter, because there's a bit of a slope here, but it's not bad. So yeah, it's gonna stay up until I've got new tyres, sorted out the back brakes, maybe even giving it an undercoat, seeing as I'll have room with all the wheels off. I'm going to take the wheels off today as well. It's starting to get dark. It wasn't actually starting to get dark when I started, but yeah. These, mine. Also, I bought a new bottle jack off of Amazon. Already used it once, and it's a bottle jack. It actually goes quite high. I think it's is it 10? No, it can't be 10 ton. 6 ton, 5 ton. All those are 5 or 6 ton. Can't remember. One of these are 6 ton, and one of them might be a bit more. 4 ton maybe. Either 10 ton or 4 ton. I don't know. Something like that. Anyway, I got stuff that could do a lot of tons. Enough tons. Anyway, I was gonna get. I would think I'm a bigger fan of bottle jacks and trolley jacks, to be honest. Trolley jacks are handy, but I'd only get them for like really high tonnage, and if I had concrete. So yeah, these are all mine. I'm going to try and protect them, save them from being stolen from my family, and look after them, hopefully. I'm not as happy that they did have little things to keep them together like this on the ends, but I know I was going to get annoyed with them, so I threw them away. I'd rather if it was in like one long handle, but I guess it's just, this is compact to keep in the back of your car, I'm guessing. But yeah, let's strap this up. Oh yeah, like my white bolts, which are actually silver. I painted my bin, and then I painted my deck chair, then I painted this. What is my brother doing? Hello! Hello! Hello!
Oh shit.
Hello!
Fucking
Don't swear on my video.
Oh.
Casually looks up. And then I got really carried away and started painting my Husqvarna and ran out of paint. Nah, it looks fine. Need to get some tubes or new tyres for this. Still a lot of tread on them, so I hope just tubes will do. I need to get to work on this. It shouldn't be outside with my brand new starter motor. Oh, so I sprayed the exhaust. It's not quite chrome, but meh, that's gonna flake off, I bet. Yeah, this needs to get work on. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Okay, so just for you to know, I'm going on holiday for 3 days. Tomorrow I'm leaving, so I'm testing out these new holiday clothes I bought. I got one t-shirt as well. It says Miami on it. Put my phone there. Yeah, only one problem with the new camera. It is 4K 60 FPS. I've set it to. My pretty average gaming PC struggles to edit with them. I did put more RAM on the PC. We've either got 32 or 64. I can't remember. 32, I think. I got two 16s. yeah, it struggles a bit. It's quite choppy to edit. It takes a long time. Gaming videos, it's pretty good editing, unless it's you turn it to a time lapse, which I do many time lapse videos. But yeah, it struggles quite a bit with the 4K, so it takes a long time to edit. But hopefully I'll sort that out once I save up a lot of money again after doing this. So yeah, let's get to it. Gonna move some stuff out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Cause the handbrake doesn't work and it's in gear right now, I think I'll do the front first. My camera just told me that I need a better SD card. It's got a lot of storage, but it's not fast enough, I don't think. So maybe that's why my audio was going out of sync before. Anyway, every time it makes that noise, it goes beep. I'll have to start recording again. Oh well. Right, this is as far as my jack will go, and that's as high up as my axle stand I can get my axle stand. So it is on a differential there, so I could adjust it. No, I think I'll leave it as it is. No, yeah, I should adjust it to where it's close to the thing, then pump it, because you can screw the top. It'll be the same height then, roughly. This is flat here. There's a little bit of, well no, it should be pretty good there. It's a bit, it just goes up there really. This is the same. So we should get it pretty flat anyway. Why am I worrying? There's no need to worry. Right. I think that's how tall it would be if I raised it. Yeah, in the front, I've got them like there and there. I could have done that one on the axle, but I didn't. And I thought I could do the same with the back, but I think they're a little bit different, maybe. But I did it properly. I just put them on the axle because the differential is more centered. It's not to the side. But yeah, so now I'm going to take the wheels off. Only thing with the front axle stands being further out is that it's less likely to tip over. With the back ones, I should have really put the back ones as far out as I could as well. It could tip, but it won't tip over, will it? It'd just lean. I think it's pretty unlikely that wind would push it off. But we can only see, can't we? So if I'm proven wrong, then I'll know. Yeah, let's get these off, and I'll show you my wheel collection. If I can find the right one. Nope. There you go. I may have made a mistake.
all the bearings as well.
Okay, this one's bearing is a little slack, but we're gonna sort that out anyway. Right, 4-wheel drive doesn't, the hubs don't work with the 4-wheel drive either, so I can't just lock it in gear. I'm gonna have to lower it again. That's annoying. Right. Oops. Right, as you can see, I managed to get all 4 off tonight. Basically, I've invented a new term now. This one was VFT, very fucking tight, not just FT. I got my brother to do it. It looked like he broke his neck every single time it released. I got one out from here. I think there's supposed to be 3 because there's one inside the car, but the thread's gone on the hole, I think. Or it's, no, it looks like it snapped off. So I'm gonna drill that out, weld it back up and tap it again, because the rest of this one, I'm surprised I didn't lose it, to be honest. It's fine. So I'm gonna try and get that off, or should I just leave it on, make it look pretty? Should I get new studs? No, I'm gonna leave it for now. I might get to oiling and the chassis and everything if I've got enough. I probably will, to be honest. I want to get, main thing I want to get done is the rusty bits, because the underneath it's fine, bit in the boot, meh, but the chassis fine. It's just the fan, it's just the outsides basically. So this has probably been oiled before, I'd think. I need to get brake lines, all the brake lines replaced. That's what I'm going to do. Redo all the bearings. That is more than the bearing. That is over here. Oh well, it's only one of them. The rest are tight. So maybe I can leave the rest of the bearings. Or it'd be a good idea to grease them. I want to change the oil in both of the differentials and the gearbox. I've already done the engine. Alright, yeah, there's a video about it. Me doing the engine oil. And then, so weld up all the rest. It's just front, back, sills. I got the sills on the back, just the front. I might have to, those are good. So, and they look the right shape. I just need plastic. I need one more plastic bit here, because I've got one on this side, which could do a new one over here, but they're really hard to find on the internet. Maybe I could go to a scrapyard somewhere and get a new bracket for the, actually, where's that broken? God knows, maybe there's some rust up there where it holds on the mudguard flare. But yeah, basically it's good. As you can see, because this one's had plastic, it's a bit better around here, but this still needs patching up. It's not a big job. I'm not too fussy on how it looks, as long as I want to put that inside there where it's supposed to be as well, so it's not popping out. Even though I think it looks better where the headlights sunk in more, but meh, what can I do? So yeah, anyway. Oh, also, I think I lost that, and I don't know how hard they, the ones on that one are smaller, they don't fit, so that's annoying. But yeah, slow project. So yeah, got one chrome here and the spare one, so I could chrome that, so let's count that as 2. Then I've got another chrome, and I think one of these is a chrome as well. I think it's that one maybe, I don't know. So I got 5, it's just, that's it. So the rest is steel. So I got enough spare wheels for steel. Is that the perfect amount actually? So I got 3 over there, steels, and then I've got 2 here. Yeah, so I've got 2 full sets, steel and well, will be chrome. And so yeah, that's good. So yeah, there we go. Hopefully enjoyed. I'm gonna put WD-40 on the studs and then putting the nuts back on, just so then they don't rust. Gonna be filling these holes with glue and putting the glue in the chrome back on, unless I can get to the screws on the other side, the holes on the other side pretty easy, then I'll do it properly. But yeah, the other chrome strip on the other side is good. It's just this side. Good thing it didn't fall off and I didn't chuck it away before I started having this, owning this kind of. But yeah, there we go. No, not good. Okay, so yeah, that's the floor there. All of this is getting changed. Yeah, maybe I will spend some time. Yeah, maybe I will clean up all of the chassis with the grinder, because Dad did think there might have been some in here, and that is, it's only there though. If that's the only actual bit with rust, then I don't know about under here. It's all quite well protected with mud, but I could get the MOT man to fix that pretty easy, because he's got a lift and everything. I don't want to be messing about with that. So yeah, I will take a grinder and just clean everything. It's not actually that much. Most of the body's fine. It's just the outside, the back of the floor, which metal's on the way for. I'm not gonna do the curved. I'm just gonna do it like a that. Might save some space actually. Yeah, I'm getting tired. So I am going to end the video and maybe start editing this tonight. I got a holiday tomorrow, so I might not. But yeah, bye.